Okay, Mars, serious question. Humans keep talking about moving here. Elon tweets about it, NASA studies it, sci-fi movies love you.
But let's be honest for a second. Are you actually a future home for humanity? Or are you just a very dramatic desert rock?
A dramatic desert rock with potential.
That's not very reassuring.
Humans are curious creatures, and curiosity tends to bring them here.
Yeah, but curiosity also made us invent reality TV.
Perhaps the best way to understand me is to meet the forces that shape my world.
Oh, you have staff?
Gravity, winds, temperature, ice, and water.
So basically the 5 reasons humans might regret moving here.
Or the 5 reasons you might evolve.
All right, Internet, woo! Let's go meet the management. All right, Gravity, first question. On Earth, when I jump, I come down pretty fast. But scientists say Mars only has about 38% of Earth's gravity. So if a human astronaut stood here and tried to run, jump, or even throw something, what would actually happen?
Would it feel like walking on the moon? Or is it something completely different?
Imagine every movement becoming lighter. When astronauts walk here, their steps stretch out longer. A jump that lasts half a second on Earth might last 2 seconds on Mars. Your body feels less weight, your muscles push farther, and your balance has to adjust to a new rhythm. It doesn't feel exactly like the moon, because Mars still has significant gravity.
Instead, it feels like moving in slow motion through a lighter version of your world. So basically, everyone who comes here gets automatic superhero physics.
For a moment, yes, until they trip.
Okay, Winds, Google says you can create planet-wide dust storms.
Entire planets covered in dust sounds like something out of a disaster movie. So how exactly do these storms start?
Mars has a very thin atmosphere, but its dust particles are extremely fine. When sunlight heats parts of the planet, air begins to move.
That movement lifts dust into the atmosphere. Once enough dust rises, it absorbs more sunlight, heating the air further, which strengthens the wind. This cycle can grow until storms expand across thousands of kilometers.
So Mars storms are basically a planet-sized chain reaction.
If humans build cities here someday, are you going to be a problem?
For technology, yes. Dust can cover solar panels, enter machinery, and reduce visibility.
So Mars weather forecast, 100% chance of dust. I'm Temperature, Mr. Hale.
All right, Temperature. People keep asking the same thing online. How cold is Mars really?
Are we talking winter jacket cold or instant freeze cold?
The average temperature on Mars is about minus 60 degrees Celsius, but that number hides dramatic variations.
Near the poles during winter, temperatures can fall below minus 120 degrees Celsius.
But scientists say Mars can sometimes reach 20 degrees Celsius near the equator. How is that even possible on a freezing planet? Mars has a thin atmosphere, so heat escapes quickly. During the day, sunlight can warm the ground. But without a thick atmosphere to trap that heat, temperatures drop rapidly after sunset.
If humans lived here, how would they survive temperatures like this?
They would live inside insulated habitats, using technology to regulate pressure and heat.
I am Martian ice.
Ice, you might actually be the most important thing on this planet. People search this all the time.
Is there really enough ice on Mars to support future human colonies?
Yes, massive ice deposits exist at the poles and beneath the surface. Some regions contain frozen water just centimeters below the soil.
If that ice melts, could it create rivers again? In theory, yes. Mars once had rivers and lakes billions of years ago.
So Mars used to look more like Earth?
In some ways, yes.
I am water, Hale.
Water, biggest mystery on Mars. Did this planet actually have oceans?
Billions of years ago, Mars had a thicker atmosphere and warmer climate. Liquid water flowed across its surface, carving valleys and forming lakes.
So where did all that water go?
Mars lost much of its atmosphere over time. Without atmospheric pressure, liquid water could not remain stable on the surface.
Final question everyone asks. Could life have existed here?
Scientists believe ancient Mars had conditions suitable for microbial life.
So Mars, low gravity, dust storms, frozen water, and a mysterious past.
I'm starting to follow you now, gotta learn from the best. Your content is amazing.
Thanks, Mars. But hey, I need you to tell my audience what the next video idea should be. Go on, write it in the comments. I'm stuck.